can't film it.
He's going nowhere.
He's stuck in the wind. Look at him.
Does he think he's getting distance?
I think so. It's kind of sad. He's like, I'm going.
All right. If he really thinks he's going, he's not. Oh.
He's like, okay, I need to go down lower.
Yeah, if he swoops.
He's gonna have to swoop down into the valley.
He's getting exhausted. He's going for a landing. Oh, man.
Yeah. Oh, he's gonna go down. Wow, look at him. He did that. He realized he needed to go further
He
down.
used to swoop up and down.
Look, he's stuck again.
Oh, he's stuck.